Welcome to Sister's Kitchen Counter.
こんにちは。
Today, Haruna and I want to talk a little bit about chopsticks, which are eating utensils in Japan that are used for both cooking and eating. There are 3 different types of chopsticks in Japan.
Kids from the age of 3 will start to learn how to use a chopstick. These are what training chopsticks looks like. They are shorter in length because they are for kids. So basically you put your thumb, pointer finger, and middle finger through these rings, and this is how kids start to learn how to use their chopsticks. And this is my niece Emma's training chopstick.
Then of course you have your regular eating chopsticks. They're longer in length compared to a kid's chopsticks, and men usually have a thicker chopstick and longer in length only because they tend to have bigger or larger hands than us.
Then you have the cooking chopsticks called saibashi in Japanese. These cooking chopsticks are longer in length compared to the eating chopsticks. This extra length will help when you cook over heat or when you plate your food.
My parents use chopsticks for every meal when they're eating fried eggs or bacon in the morning, a salad for lunch, or grilled fish or meat for dinner. As you can see, chopsticks are an essential part of Japanese cuisine, and it has very many different uses.
Yes. Thanks for watching our little chopstick episode. Please subscribe to us on YouTube and watch our cooking videos at sisterskitchencounter.com. またね!
ありがとう!